In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore missing toolbars in AutoCAD. If your familiar toolbars suddenly vanished, don't worry, this quick walkthrough will bring them back and have you working comfortably again in just a moment. First, we're going to turn on the classic menu bar at the top of the screen, because that's where the toolbar controls live. Look to the command line, usually along the bottom of AutoCAD. Click into it and type menu bar. Then press the spacebar or enter to confirm the command. AutoCAD will prompt you for a value. Type 1. And press space or enter again. That value of 1 turns the menu bar on. Think of menu bar as a simple switch. 0 means off, 1 means on. When it's set to 1, you'll immediately see a traditional row of menus appear across the top of AutoCAD, including File, Edit, View, and Tools. If the menu bar was already visible, setting menu bar to 1 just keeps it on. With the menu bar now showing, move to the top of the screen and click Tools. From that menu, choose Toolbars. This opens the toolbar selection interface. You might see a list organized by application or category, depending on your version, but the idea is the same. This is where you turn specific toolbars back on. Next, pick the toolbars you want to restore. Common choices include Draw, Modify, Layers, Properties, and Standard, but select whatever you rely on most for your workflow. As you enable a toolbar, it will appear on your screen, typically as a floating strip with icons. If a toolbar pops up in an unexpected spot, don't worry, just click and drag its title bar to reposition it. You can dock it to the top, bottom, or sides of the workspace, or let it float where it's handy. If multiple toolbars appear stacked or crowded, drag them to arrange a layout that keeps your most used tools within easy reach. And if you turn one on by mistake, simply go back to Tools, open Toolbars again, and uncheck it to hide it. That's it. By enabling the menu bar, opening the Tools menu, and selecting the toolbars you need, you've restored the classic tool access you were missing. This simple approach is quick, reliable, and works across many versions of AutoCAD. Thanks for watching, and happy drafting.